Right, in this video is about the Honda Civic and Honda FRV fault regarding the indicators. If you've got a problem where your indicators stay on left or the right, or they're both flashing as if the hazard warning is on, then you have got this problem. Now let me demonstrate. I go left, all works right, left, nothing, but you can hear it clicking, so it isn't going to be the stalk. It's not going to be that. What you got is a problem with this little box here, which is behind the fuse board, and what it is the ICU relay, the integrated control unit, and that controls the central lock-in, the alarm, the indicator flasher unit, and a couple other things that I've forgotten about. But yeah, let me demonstrate. So when that comes on, whenever you do this, you'll do one big flash, then start flashing. See, one big flash, then start flashing. Obviously nothing on that side. So what it is I've taken to Honda Garage. I googled it anyway before, so I wanted some solid proof that I was right, and I am. I took it to Honda Garage and they said this is the common fault with that box behind the fuse board. So let me show you. So don't bother going underneath your bonnet, there's nothing there. Where it is here. Let me show you. Right, there's a fuse box underneath here. Is, I don't know if you can see it. That is the control module, so it's behind there. Really annoying to get to, but there is a screw somewhere in there on the bottom left and the top right that you can undo to make your life a lot easier. Believe me, I've tried. It's very difficult. Unscrew it first. Anyway, so remember, if your car flasher has gone on one side, your indicator's gone on one side, it's the control unit. If you started flashing like the alarm's going off, or the hazard warning lights on, then it's the same problem. And also obviously if both sides are gone, then same problem. So yeah, don't waste your time or money. Get on eBay like I've done, type in ECU relay or that code to find one of them. Most suppliers do it with a hole with the fuse box board with a black box, but you can get them just with a black box. They're all the same. We've got diesel, petrol or whatever, they're all the same. They didn't make these cars for long. I think it's 2004 to 2010, and yeah, don't waste your time or money. Get right on it and repair it. You can do it yourself as long as you remove the nuts. Thank you very much. Well, we changed the box over. It all works now. There's a left indicator that didn't work before. Now we did. Don't forget that you need to buy the revised version of the ICU module box, which has got the serial number 02 on the end. Don't buy the 01 one, because that is the one that always breaks. Honda revised it back in 2008. They realised the errors of their ways and made a different version of it. Unfortunately, the ones before that had the 01 box in it, and they break with a bit of heat or a bit of time. They don't work anymore. So make sure you get the serial number 02 on the end. But yeah, as you can see, it all works. And another thing, they don't need to be coded. There's rumours on the forums that when you install them, they need to be coded. They don't. Alright, they just go straight in, plug and play, put it in, off you go. It's all done. Job done. Thank you very much.